Hey guys, welcome back to Coders Arcade. This is Ashank David, and welcome back to another video of Job Prep series where we talk about different companies, we crack down about those companies, and we discuss what are the job roles available and how do you crack it, what is the eligibility criteria, and let's start about this video, guys. So, as you know, today I've brought to you another company, and you can already see here that is Adobe. Now, Adobe is a very big company, guys, and this is a very special company, guys. You must be knowing about this company very well, and most of you guys might have installed some Adobe software already into your systems. This is that company, guys, and today we are going to talk about the job roles available in this company and how do you crack the job roles that are provided by this company as of December 2025. So let's start. So let's talk about Adobe a little bit. So Adobe is a global software company powering creativity, digital marketing, and document solutions. So we already know about this very well. It's a product-based company, and Creative Cloud is present. Creative Cloud, if you are into video editing or Adobe, Adobe Cloud application stuff, you know about it, then you might be knowing about Creative Cloud. Creative Cloud is part of Adobe itself, and SaaS is also being implemented here. Founded in 1982 in San Jose, USA, and here. In India, we have hubs in Noida and Bengaluru. So if you want to know more about Adobe, you can go on to the Adobe website. You will all get to know about this very well. Adobe hires freshers for high impact product engineering and data driven roles, of course. And Adobe is a multinational software company best known for Photoshop, Illustrator, Acrobat, Creative Cloud, and Adobe Experience Cloud. It emphasizes in innovation, creativity, and strong engineering practice. We already know this, and most of the YouTubers out there, they might be knowing about these softwares: Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro. In fact, we also edit our videos through Premiere Pro itself. That's an Adobe product. So you might be very familiar with Photoshop. So all these products are from Adobe itself. So Adobe does all these things. So creative softwares, digital marketing, AI, ML, and cloud platforms. So this is all about Adobe, guys. I hope so that this is very, very much clear. Logo is definitely recognizable, guys. It's a huge company, guys. That's all about Adobe. Let's talk about the job roles available as of for 2025 December in this year, guys. Software developer engineer, SDE, of course. And here it's a product engineering, design and building scalable product used by millions of people every year. A version of Photoshop or Illustrator or these things gets updated. And not only just these softwares or applications, but there are other applications that also Adobe focuses on. And in that, if you want to become a software developer, this is that job role which is available in Adobe right now. It provides you around 20 to 30 LPA salary. And this is way good, guys, if you want to get the job as a software developer into Adobe. And this is the thing about a developer role in this case. Next we have is computer scientist, where advanced engineering, work on complex algorithm systems and large scale platforms. There are a lot of things that in a particular software, in Adobe itself, in any Adobe software itself, features are being introduced. A lot of different features under Photoshop or a lot of features under Illustrator. What algorithms are there? That is what is going to be designed by a computer scientist. So work on complex algorithm systems and large scale platforms. This will provide you around 30 to 45 LPA, guys. So this is your computer scientist job. And data scientist or ML engineer, machine learning engineer, we already know this, that AI is booming a lot, and you might be seeing that in all the Adobe applications also, just like other applications, day-to-day applications, you have AI included there. Now AI is being including into all the Adobe softwares also. And for that, you can be a data scientist or an ML engineer as well. So build intelligent features using data and machine learning. Here the salary is around approximately 18 to 28 LPA. So this is how these are the three job roles which are available in Adobe as of for 2025 December month. And these are all domain specific roles. Now, there is no such thing that this is easy, medium, hard level. No, not like that. This is a software developer role. This is a algorithm expert or computer scientist role, and this is a AI/ML engineer role or a data scientist role. Here, data analysis will also get included itself. So, domain specific AI/ML, computer scientist, and SDE, software developer. These are the roles available, guys, as of for now. And getting the job into this company is very good. You'll get a very high package, guys. Premium roles, strong work culture, and innovation driven it is. And if we talk about eligibility and preparation, then minimum to minimum BE, Bachelor of Engineering, BTech, ME, MTech, or MCA is also good, guys. Strong academic and project background and no active backlogs should be present at the time of placements. Advanced DSA and strong problem solving skills, excellent coding in C++, Java, and Python we are seeing here. Not only you just have to know about that programming language, but you have to be very excellent in terms of programming or coding if you want to get the job into Adobe. Getting the job into Adobe is not as easy, but don't get your morals down, guys. You have time and you will be able to do this. Very first thing that you need to make sure is understanding about data structures and algorithms properly. And first, before even going into data structures and algorithms, better you know about a programming language properly, depending upon the domains which are available. For software development, of course, hands down C++ and Java. Java is on the highest, demand right now. So Java. For this, C++ and Java will work. Python also will work here. And for data scientist, of course, ML engineer, Python only. So domain specific. If you are working in that domain, you should be knowing about that particular programming language which is used in that domain much more. And you should be experienced with that, guys. So excellent coding skills in that particular domain. And DSA, advanced DSA and strong problem solving skills you should be knowing in order to get the job into this company. System design basics and scalable architecture understanding is very important here. These are all your engineering basic subjects, operating system, system design, architecture, computer organization, all those things. Adobe interviews focus heavily on depth, clean code, DSA mastery, and strong project explanations are crucial, guys. Data structures and algorithms is very, very important if you want to crack a job role into this company, guys. So it is very important for all of us to understand about DSA, understanding about programming language, having good coding skills and mastery of data structures. If you can do that, you will be easily able to crack this company in 2025 of December, guys. Selection process. Now here, selection process is a little bit tedious and it takes some time if you want to get the job into Adobe. One is online coding test. Of course, the first test, that is online assessment test, where DSA coding questions are asked. Your hardcore coding questions will be asked, MCQs and all those questions will be asked, pseudocodes. Then technical interview. Generally, in a technical interview only takes 2 to 4 rounds, where first your DSA will be asked, then project will be asked, then your system design will be asked. In DSA itself, coding questions related to graphs, tries, collection frameworks, these kind of things are generally asked. And focus also onto logic of that particular program in terms of technical. This is important, guys. Then comes your culture fit interview round, HR round, where values, team alignment, salaries, all those things are generally discussed. So of course, this is a top product company and high engineering bar it is. If we talk about key takeaways, Adobe offers some of the best tech roles in India, and DSA depth and system thinking are mandatory, guys. I hope so that this is absolutely clear to all of you. Great work-life balance compared to many product-based firms, guys. Getting the job into this company is a dream. It's like getting a dream job. Once you've got into this company, your life is set. Well, this is about Adobe, guys. And let's talk about my key takeaways now. And about this, if you want to get the job into this company, guys, start mastering programming language first. Java is the most important language and the highest in demand right now for development. Python is the highest demand in AI/ML right now. If you talk about the roles, the domain specific role, the computer scientist role, SDE role, and data scientist role, Java, C++, and Python. These are the three major languages. Depending upon your domain, you choose a language and master data structures and algorithms for development. So this is my key takeaways, guys. Best role is, of course, SDE, guys. It'll get you the heaviest salary, but don't go for the salary, guys. Go for what you like, because that will make your life much more easier once you get into that company. Well, I hope so that this much is clear, guys, and I hope so that you found this video informative. If you found this video informative, do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon also so that you won't miss any future updates, guys. Well, that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, another company, and there you go, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.